Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you the hydrating argan oil hair mask from Lanthome. It has done wonders for my hair and I wanted to share a bit more about it with you guys and the whole process of using it. So this mask is rich in unsaturated fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-9, which can easily be absorbed by the hair shaft and repair damaged hair and follicles. It can also increase the shine in hair as well. So it is non-greasy, non-irritating. It can prevent the hair from being frizzy and messy, and it also softens the hair. And it's used to deal with hair that has been damaged due to the use of other chemical products. So this can be absorbed by the hair immediately and it restores the moisture back into the hair. So this can be used as a protective layer against harmful ultraviolet rays, and it protects the hair from environmental pollution. And because of its high vitamin E content, it has a very significant effect on hair growth. This also helps to suppress split ends and hair loss. And one key ingredient is jojoba oil, which is rich in vitamins A, B, E, calcium, magnesium, and other minerals, which then can enhance the absorption and maintenance of moisture from the outside world. And it has a repairing effect on the damaged keratinocytes of the scalp. Now guys, let me show you the process of using this hair mask. So if you open it up, this is the hair mask itself. See the texture here, and it smells really nice. So let's jump into it. So first, wash your hair with shampoo. Then towel dry it. Now, when applying the hair mask to your hair, you want to apply a generous amount and use your hands and fingers to apply it from the root to the tip. And then comb through the hair and leave it 5 to 15 minutes. After, rinse and dry and you're done. You want to use it 1 to 2 times a week. Alright, here's the results, guys. My hair looks amazing. It feels so soft and smells so good as well. You can see that it has a really nice shine to it as well. That is so gorgeous. So yeah guys, I really highly recommend this argan oil hair mask from Lanthome. Awesome ingredients and amazing results. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.